Good morning from California. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing so good. So this morning is really cold. Can you guys see my hair? I just washed my hair a few days ago and I put it in this protective style with African thread. So this morning we are going to make okra. We're going to make okra soup with seafood, guys. I have in there shrimp, I have my catfish, I have my mackerel to make this soup. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be finger licking. So guys, if you want to know how I make this beautiful seafood okra soup, I want you to keep watching. And if you are here new in my channel, I really welcome you and I appreciate you stopping by. Then if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and click the bell button. It gives you a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get to the kitchen. So guys, these are the list of all the ingredients we're going to use to make this. I already washed and cut my okra. I cut this yesterday and I put it in the fridge. I'm using it this morning. So here is my mackerel. I already washed and cleaned it, and I already washed my shrimp here. I have here my grounded crayfish, as you can see, and I have my catfish. I have my yellow pepper and nut cube, and I have some blended pepper, onions, and I have my salt. Then in here, let me show you guys. It's just the frozen vegetable. You see, I bought kale yesterday. I washed it and cut it. I put it in my freezer. I'll be using it to make this soup. So guys, the first thing I did was to place the pot on the cooker. I didn't turn it on, but I just placed it there and begin to add all the ingredients. The first thing is the catfish. Like I said, I already washed all the fish I'm going to add. I washed it earlier, then I add it inside the pot. I added the catfish, I added the mackerel, and then I spiced it up with some sliced onions and yellow pepper. Then I'll be adding a nut cube. It's always 2 in 1, so I added both of them. You can as well add a seasoning powder. Also, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Then after adding all the spices, then I mix it together with the fish because we want it to be able to marinate and as well cook. So this time I'll be adding some water. I added about 1 cup of water. Then after adding the water, all you have to do is just turn on the heat, then cover the pot and allow it to cook. So after about 15 minutes, because the fish, it doesn't take time to cook like the meat. After 15 minutes, the fish is already cooked. What we're going to do is to take it out, because if you allow it to stay in the pot and cook with it, honestly, it is going to scatter inside the soup. And personally, I don't want that to happen. So I took out the fish and set it aside. Then we start making this okra soup. So just take everything out. If you want, you can leave it, but like I said, I want to take everything out, then we'll go from there. So after that, I top up again with another 2 cups of water. I add my dry fish and some palm oil. If you want, you can skip palm oil and use the bell pepper, but I feel like adding palm oil. And also 1 teaspoon of bell pepper. I already blend the bell pepper and put it in my freezer. I use it anytime I want. So I just use 1 tablespoon from the bell pepper. So after adding all the ingredients, you mix them together. Then you cover your pot and allow it to come to a boil. Before then, I remember I have not added my uziza seed. Uziza seed is very important for okra soup and ogbono soup. And also, this is the Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper is always spicy. Make sure you add a little bit so that you can be able to, not feel too spicy while enjoying the soup. After that, I add my blended crayfish. Then I mix all of them together and cover the pot to come to a boil. Make sure you test for salt as well. So as you can see, it's boiling, the mixture is boiling. Now we're going to add the shrimp, and then I just add the shrimp and give it a quick stir once again, and add the remaining ingredient, which is okra. So you add it to the pot. So guys, we don't want to waste any of them because okra is really expensive over here, so you make sure that you add all of them. So after adding that, be sure to mix the soup with the okra. Just give it a quick stir, combine them all together to cook for about 5 minutes. Just make sure that everything is cooking on a low heat. After that, I feel like adding about half cup of water to the pot. Sorry guys, I did not show you, but I added half cup of water to the pot. So I cover the pot to cook for about 5 minutes on a low heat. And we also want to make sure that the vegetable is still fresh while we are eating that. So now I added my fish and give it a quick stir once again. Mix all of them together. And guys, guess what? This soup is ready. I want it a little bit watery. I don't want it to be too thick. Depending on what you want, you can go ahead and make it that way. But I feel like I needed to add a little bit of water. Guys, this is a frozen kale. If you want to have that taste of a Nigerian ugu, whenever we're making our Nigerian soup, we add ugu, which is the pumpkin leaf. Guys, this is it. Try using a frozen vegetable, especially frozen kale, frozen spinach, or frozen collard green. It tastes exactly like ugu in Nigeria, guys. I really want to thank you, Ebere. I give a shout out to you wherever you are right now. Thank you for suggesting that to me, and try it and let me know what you think about that. And this is the soup. We are done making the soup. You can enjoy the soup with your pounded cassava, which is apple asoraso. Guys, oh my goodness, you can enjoy this with your gari, your semovita, your oatmeal, your brown rice flour. We have a lot of things that you can enjoy this seafood soup with. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and make sure you test for salt before you serve the soup. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon to give you a notification whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful week. Bye.